Hello guys, this is the Whirlpool fridge. Now it looks very nice because of that display. As you can see, it's not really plugged, and the plug is not plugged. So I'm going to show a safe inside tour of the refrigerator. Also, I'm mentioning that there's real refrigerant inside this thing. Right now, I'm opening it. Don't worry that sound. It's just some thermocol. Wait, if that's the end of the hinge. So as you can see, the fridge is inside pretty good. Looking at that sassy interior, we've got the upper freezer, which is supposed to make ice. And this is glass and metal, stainless steel, I think. Oh, well, if you didn't see that, please forgive me. I think it was a little blurred for you. So, this is the actual compartment. And this is the actual fridge. This is the bottom row. An egg holder which has been misplaced. An egg holder which was supposed there, and the stand was there. Underneath are these flyers which are made with a weird material, which I don't. Maybe plastic. It's plastic. It's plastic. See? Wait, see? It smells new too, since it's the first day in the house. And here's the manual of the Whirlpool fridge. User manual. First page. Tomorrow this fridge will start freezing some food. If it works. And then we'll put up the fridge magnets after it's fixed. After the company comes and finds the cable. Not for that reason. You can't get a new one if you unbox it by new rules. And here's a touch screen. A touch screen. This is a really good thing. I'm not a fan of Whirlpool. I'm a fan of Casio, Renault, Skoda, and Volkswagen. BMWs are not the one I like. Nokia too. Nokia. I'm pretty much a big fan of car companies, but I'm not a fan of a... Wait, that's not a special effect. It's just... Well, I'm just a fan of... I'm not a fan of Whirlpool, but this fridge looks very airy cool. Easy racks, storing water racks that you can keep normal stuff. Down the styrofoam and fridge. There you go. So I can say that this is a smart fridge because of the touch screen. You like 10 years warranty. 25 years reliable. Talk about reliability. This thing is a mass productive thing. And I give Whirlpool a big hit. This is a great fridge. Let's hope that this fridge runs, so that Whirlpool can prove that they make brilliant technology. Also, the AC is true, so please don't buy them. Bye.